Hello and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create trending AI image like this, and this. Okay, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I'm so excited to have you and I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is aigeneratedimages, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. Now, before I go ahead to show you how to create these AI images, I need you to kindly do me a favor. Kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Now, you're doing that not just to do that, but you're doing that so that when I post new videos, you will always be notified that I have shared another video. And also, it also shows YouTube that you're supporting my channel. All right, so kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. All right, I believe you have done that. So having done that, let me quickly take you into this video and show you how to create trending AI images using your smartphone. So to do that, all you need to do is to go straight to your Google Chrome. All right, this is Google Chrome here. You go straight to Google Chrome, and when you come to Google Chrome, you're going to come to the search area and you're going to type ideogram. Okay, ideogram.ai. Can you see the ideogram.ai? So I'm going to enter it and wait for it to load. Okay, now this is ideogram. All right, this is ideogram. So this is what you're going to see on your dashboard. All you need to do now is to come to the plus button below. All right, come to the plus button below and click on the plus. All right, click on it once. Now we want to create a trending AI picture. All right, so what do we create now? All we need to do here is to give it a prompt. All right, this AI works with prompts, so we are going to tell it what to produce for us. All right, so watch me now. Let me create a prompt. So our prompt is going to be like, create an image of a young Yoruba woman, carrying a basket. Let's use a basket. Basket is more local. A basket of tomatoes. Right, we are telling him what to do. In the middle of a local market. All right, now when you're creating your prompts, you have to make sure that you are detailed enough. That's the secret about this. You have to make sure that whatever you actually want to see in your picture, make sure that you are describing it clearly so that the AI understands what you actually want. All right, now we have said create an image of a young Yoruba woman carrying a basket of tomatoes in the middle of a local market. Now we're going to add to say, we are going to tell it also include people in the background. Also include people buying and selling in the background. Can you see now? We are making sure that we give it a very specific prompt. Okay, make sure she is smiling. Okay, now let's just use this for example. All right, let's just use it for the sake of this tutorial. Let's use this. Now you're going to come to this place. You can see, do you want it to be cinematic? Do you want it to be an illustration? Do you want it to be a 3D render image, or do you want it to be in typography? Now I'm not going to click any of this. I'm going to come to see all because I want to see the all of the options that I have. So you're going to click on see all. So I click on see all. Now I have a more broader option to choose from. Okay, so I'm going to say I'll click on cinematic, I'll click on 3D render, I'll click on fashion, I'll click on, let's just pick anime. I'll click on anime, or no, let's pick vibrant. I'll click on vibrant. So I'm working with these 4 options now. All right, so that is going to determine the kind of image you are going to have. Okay, so having done that, I'm going to click on generate. Can you see generate here? I'll click on generate. So you click on it once, and let's see, our image is being generated. Can you see generation process or progress 30%? Whoa, can you see our image now? Can you see our image? Very beautiful image. Now let's click on them to see. Look at one. Can you see this beautiful lady in the middle of the market? Can you see the buyers and the sellers in the background? Now look at another option. Look at another option. I actually like this. I like this one. So look at another option. Can you see? Doesn't this look like a Yoruba lady? Very beautiful. Okay, now I actually want to put more details on this picture. So I want the lady to be carrying the tomato on her head. Okay, I know she's beautiful, but it looks more beautiful if she can carry it on her head. That's what is going to make this picture more engaging. So let's give it a prompt again. I'll come here and I'll come to the plus button again. I'll click on plus again. I'll say, make sure, let me add it here. I'll say, make sure she's carrying the basket on her head. Are you see now? Let's generate. Click on generate again and wait for it to load. Generation progress 28, 35, 44, 50. Whoa, you can see now 3 of the images did not give us the kind of prompt we want. But let's see, just click on this. Can you see? At least this is kind of manageable. All right, this is manageable. Look at this one. It's not carrying it on her head, but at least it is manageable. Are you seeing this now? So now you've gotten the picture. This, you cannot work with this, but we can work with this, we can work with this. So what we can do right now is to download the image. All right, so you click on it, long press is going to bring out this option, and then you click on download image, and it's going to be downloaded onto your phone. You're going to find it in your gallery, in your download folder on your gallery. Guys, to do this, you can also come and if you want to create more pictures, you can also use the plus button. You just click on the plus button and you're going to come here and create another prompt. Let's create another prompt again. Let's create another prompt. Now we say create an image of a young black man, a young Hausa man who is a fish seller. Now follow me. Who is a fish seller cutting fish for a waiting customer, or let's say for waiting customers. Now tell it to make sure there are people. Just follow me. Make sure there are people buying and selling in the background. Now let's see what this prompt is going to give us. All right, create an image of a young Hausa man who is a fish seller cutting fish for waiting customers. Make sure there are people buying and selling in the background in a local market. Can you see this now? So we have given it the prompt. Now we're going to click on generate. So I'll click on generate now, and let's see what the AI is going to give us. All right, generation progress 29, 68. Whoa, can you see this now? Look at our image. One, this is one, this is two, this is another one, this is another one. Are you seeing these images now? Now this is not really satisfactory as what we typed into the prompt. So if you are not satisfied with it, you're going to go to the prompt and tell it exactly what you want. Are you seeing now? You're going to go to the prompt and tell it exactly what you want. Okay, the more specific you are, the more you're going to get your best image. So remember, once you get what you want, you long press and then it will bring out this. You click on download image. Once you click on the download image, your image will be downloaded to your phone gallery. All right, this is how to create trending AI images on your smartphone, and we did this in just less than 10 minutes. You can do this in just less than 10 minutes. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified that I have shared another video. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. Now, before I leave you, I have a program. All right, I have a program. If you want to learn how to make money from this AI, I have a program that I have created, a small video course that I have created that you can learn, you can get it, learn it, and start applying it to earn money for yourself. All right, if you want to get that, go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link to where you can gain access to the course for an affordable fee. All right, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I am very glad you sticked around to the end. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.